How to delete repost on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete repost videos on TikTok. Now, what is repost? TikTok has updated and brought out a latest feature where you can share a video directly. Now to do so, all you need to do is open up TikTok app and you'll get an interface like this. Now you can see video popping up. Now all you want to do is tap on the share icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you'll get the option to repost. Now simply tap on repost and your video will be reposted. Similarly, let's go into another video and all you need to do is tap on repost and your video will be reposted. Now where do you find your reposted videos? Now to find your repost videos, what you want to do is head over to your profile. On the bottom right corner of the screen you'll find the profile icon, and here if you head into the repost icon that you can see on the screen, you can see the two arrows here. Tap on it and you can see videos you repost are visible to your friends. Now to delete the repost videos, what you want to do is open up the video and now tap on share option again, and before where you got the repost option, you'll get the option remove repost. Now tap on remove repost and you'll see a notification popping up, your repost has been removed, and if you scroll back and reload it, you can see the video is no longer available on your repost and it has been deleted. Now similarly for the same video, open it up, tap on share again and tap on remove post or remove repost, and then your repost will be removed. So this way you can delete or remove repost videos on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.